So, one of the most challenging parts when planning a trip to a country is choosing the right hotel for you, especially in the cities where there are tons of options. In my previous video, we discussed the best areas to stay in Hong Kong and the criteria to choose the perfect place for your trip. Today, I'm so excited to share my personal experience and the specific hotel we booked, how much we spent, and if it was worth it. As I mentioned in my previous video, Tsim Sha Tsui or TST is one of the top area to stay in Hong Kong, offering easy access to public transportations, attractions, and stunning harbour views. Regal Kowloon Hotel caught my attention due to its excellent online reviews and the prime location. Apart from the MTR and the harbour view, the 7-Eleven stores and the market in general were also at the walking distance from the hotel. I'm very positive about the area in general and hotel itself. So without any further delays, let me show you what hotel looks like. Regal Kowloon is a 4-star property located in the heart of Tsim Sha Tsui. The hotel features modern rooms, fitness center, and an outdoor pool. During my stay, I was impressed with the hotel's cleanliness, comfortable bedding, and the friendly staff. One of the hotel's biggest advantage is its location. Regal Kowloon is within the walking distance to Tsim Sha Tsui metro station, making it easy to explore the city. The hotel is also just a short stroll away from the Victoria Harbour, where you can enjoy the stunning views of the sky. Hotel was absolutely clean, the pathways were well lit, the carpet had no foul smell, which was great. In fact, there were air purifiers also installed throughout the hallway. During my stay, we booked a deluxe room, which was very spacious and well appointed. The room was well lit and had all the basic amenities like comfortable bed, wardrobe, electronic safe, mini fridge, table, electric kettle, coffee supplies, and the USB port. The bathroom was decent and it also had all the necessary items, including the drinking water bottle, the toothbrush, paste, shower cap, soap, and the hair dryer. The bathroom also had a separate tap for the drinking water, and this was an absolute thumbs up. I'm quite happy to see that the room was quite spacious and well maintained. The few things that you should note about this hotel is that the check-in time is 3 p.m. while the checkout time is 12 in the noon. They have the facility of express check-in and check-out. The other great thing about this hotel is the free shuttle service that they provide between the hotel and the airport. For us, we booked this hotel via Agora.com for 900 Hong Kong dollars per night. Overall, I was impressed with my stay at Regal Kowloon Hotel. Its excellent location, modern rooms, the friendly staff makes it an ideal choice for the travelers visiting Hong Kong. If you're looking for a comfortable and a convenient place to stay with your family and in the Tsim Sha Tsui area, I highly recommend considering Regal Kowloon Hotel. So this is my review about this place. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more travel content and the perfect Hong Kong itinerary.